Go.
Okay, this is an alien blob and I'm going to dissect it.
Okay, go.
I will start dissecting it by poking a hole in it. A huge one. Oh, come on. We're having some... Oh, I get a big hole. Now I can start cutting. And there's goo in it. See, look, goo. Oh, come on. It's not gooing out enough. Goo. Oop. And there's little weird eyeballs in it. See, look, we will
Do I want to know what this thing is?
Okay, so find the hole where I opened it up. And then, oh, I got an eyeball. Oh, I almost did. See, look, a weird little eyeball. Oh, I think I got it. No, I didn't. I'll have to open it some more. Oh, look, it's gooing out. And I got an eyeball. Yeah. Look, it's an eyeball. And it's orange goo. Ugh.
Now you have
Look
to
at the orange goo. Look at it. It's awesome. Okay, I'm feeling around for the eyeballs.
He's getting the eyeball.
This is really fun.
Did you get an actual scalpel?
Yeah.
Whoa.
It's an awesome scalpel.
Did Mom approve this?
Yeah. Well, not the scalpel, but she said I could actually. Well, anyways.
Oh.
Yeah, so...
What is this stuff?
It's goo. It's an alien blob. Alright, now I will cut open another section. This is really fun. It's more fun than you know. You should do this if you have an alien blob at home.
Hey, Hammy, that's nice.
I will cut open Hammy too if you put him there. This is going on the internet, Mom.
Thus making the hamster
Hammy
dance perfect. Now, Sam, as you jab the sharp scalpel into it, please be careful.
Did you scrub up, surgeon? Okay.
This is disgusting.
Alright, so it feels really good on your skin.
Alien guts.
Yeah.
What are the little egg things?
Those are its eyes. All of its eyes. Or maybe it is an egg sac. It could be an egg sac.
What if one gets lodged inside your body?
Then I'd become an alien. Or give birth to an alien.
Well, you couldn't.
Ooh, I squirted something out.
Where?
How many years of medical school have you had?
Ah!
Sorry, Hammy.
That's disgusting.
You better hold on to him.
What?
Goo.
That noise is horrible.
Oh, I got open 2 sections of it. It's divided
Look where the eyeball got.
It's divided into 4 quadrants.
Oh, jeez.
Whoa, it's gooping together and now the glop is all goopy.
Be cautious with the scalpel, please.
Alright. I'm just using it to cut little holes.
What's a scalpel?
It's a very sharp knife.
Oh, there it is. Mm.
You shouldn't do that. You should, like... Is a scalpel...
Ah! You sprayed goo on me.
Where?
My arm and chest. I don't even know what this stuff is.
What is it?
It's alien. Maybe it's an alien egg sac.
It is. Those little ball things, those
They're
are
eggs.
eggs. Where did you find this?
In an alien place.
Where? Venus? Mars?
Jupiter. Saturn.
Stay away from the scalpel and be careful, Sam.
This is fun.
Squirt it out.
Oh, I got it. I got my fingers in. Now look at the glop. It's melding colors.
The autopsy may continue now.
And you're gonna have birth to honey little baby. Oh.
Baby, oh.
It's like a rainbow egg. It's like a rainbow.
It's a rainbow. Cough, 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 cough. Oops. I poked a hole in the wrong place.
I don't think it smells good.
Oh, that does smell really bad.
Can I smell?
Probably not next to the scalpel. Be careful, Sam. Don't jab yourself with a scalpel.
Oh, I found it.
Try to keep it over the...
Oh, there it is.
Squeeze it! Squeeze it.
Alright, Sam, I think you've got all the goo out.
No, it's still covered in goo. Okay, I'm gonna...
No, don't jab it into your hand. Ah! Ah! Oh, you've been slime!
It's burning away! It's burning you away!
Ooh. Eggy. Oh, the eggs are foamy.
Put it on the plate and then we'll clean it up. Sam, you got a lot to clean.
I know.
Dig into... Ah!